Introducing Alpha's Parts Procurement Department, ensuring quality, reducing costs. Alpha's commitment to precision, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness has redefined vehicle restoration standards. Since 2022, the Parts Procurement Department has transformed motor claims management by sourcing OEM replacement parts directly from manufacturers, eliminating unnecessary markups, accelerating repair times, and maintaining the highest standards of quality. This strategic approach has significantly reduced motor parts procurement costs by between 30 and 35%, resulting in lower claims expenses and highly competitive insurance premiums for clients. The procurement network supplies private passenger vehicles, light delivery vehicles, heavy commercial vehicles, and motorcycles. By delivering OEM parts directly to an approved repair network, delays are minimized and vehicles are restored without the risk of non-genuine components being used. Beyond procurement, Alpha conducts post-loss assessments to ensure that every repaired vehicle meets manufacturer-approved standards. This rigorous quality control process safeguards performance, safety, and resale value, ensuring that vehicles are returned to their original condition. For brokers, this initiative enhances client retention and strengthens the overall product offering. For policyholders, it ensures superior repair quality, reduced costs, and a streamlined claims process. Alpha continues to set new benchmarks in motor insurance and claims management. Brokers and policyholders can leverage this industry-leading procurement model to experience smarter, more cost-effective vehicle repairs. Alpha, protecting futures, mitigating risks.